Let's see how to install Node.js in Hostinger.
Log into your Hostinger H panel. Here we will see the VPS option, just click on it. And here we will see KVM VPS, just click on setup from here. Now select the location from here. After selecting the location, scroll down and then click on application from here. Here you will see Open Lightspeed and Node.js. Just click on select. Now click on next from here. Now add a root password for your VPS. And after that scroll down, and if you want to buy any additional features, then you can select them from here. After that click on next. Now we need to select the VPS plan. I will go with the most popular one, KVM2. So select it from here. After that select the time duration from here. And after that choose your payment method and pay for the VPS hosting. And in this way your VPS hosting will be set up with Node.js on it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.